Follow the following rules to make your bedroom Feng Shui compliant and have a good night's sleep. Bed should be placed so that is equal space on both the side of the bed. You can go for soft stuff like blankets, pillows, and sleep-related items. It will help free flow of energy and also heal you while asleep. The clutter anyways obstruct the positive energy from reaching the residence. Place headboard as it signifies balance, stability and support in your relationship. Be careful about the art piece. The art piece you hang in the bedroom should be such that it lifts up your mood. Family photos can be saved for other room. Art of single people or objects should not be placed. Take blues and greens for health and healing. Pick up pink and peaches for long-lasting relationships. Turn your entry beautiful with placing flowers, go green, etc., and also let it be well lit and bright. With a positive intention, let there be a positive connection of your intentions with your environment. Avoid the coffin position where feet point out the door. A home with full of clutter and mess generally restrict free flow of energy. Most importantly, paint your room with the color of imagination and let positivity flow in. Declutter underneath your bed from stuff like shoes, luggages, etc.as it can cause instability in your life and relationship. Go for Feng Shui friendly colors. Paint your bedroom with color as per you need. With color as per you need. Go for red if you desire to ignite your passion. Go for neutral shades for relaxation. The artwork should incorporate all positive vibes into your room and does away with depression. Decorative pieces like metal bowls, statues, and small sculptures not only add up to the beauty but also make your space Feng Shui compliant. Feng Shui your bedroom. Bedroom is the most important part of your house personally and in Feng Shui as well.